this keeps my locks retaining moisture for the whole week. And this is the reason why I work in sections and I take my time, because it is worth it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's get straight into it. So before I start moisturizing my hair, what I like to do is to run my fingers through my hair, and I do this just to kind of detangle it. So just take out any kind of tangle so I can run my fingers through my hair easily without it getting caught. So that's what I begin doing. So just run my fingers through my locks, and then when I'm able to do this with no issue, then I move on to actually moisturizing them. So as you can see, I'm able to, one second, I'm able to now run my hands through my locks freely. Hold on. So I'm going to run my hands through my locks freely, so I'm happy. So now I am going to moisturize them. Okay, so the next step is to moisturize in sections. So what I like to do is separate my hair. I'm going to separate into sections. This is a little bit big, so I'm going to separate my hair into sections. Run my fingers through it again just to be sure, and then I'm going to spritz it with a bit of water. I'm going to get my leave-in by Regimen. I'm going to spritz it into my palms like so. Just a few spritzes, rub it together in my hands, go back to it, and then just work that in. Put some around my hairline. And then towards the ends, I will spritz on the ends, and then I just work that in on the ends like so. And then once I'm done, I just twist it up. When I get to the ends, I will just twirl it when I get closer to the ends. Twirl it like this, and that's basically it. And then I just continue that throughout my hair. So I'll split this. I section it how I'm going to wear my hair. So I want the side partning, so I'll keep that, and then I just repeat. So I will spritz, and then You just squeeze it in, work it in, and then in my palms, few scraps, and then I also do the prayer method as well, or just work it in, squeeze it in, whichever I feel like really. And then at the ends, I will spray the ends again, and then I just work it in. As you can see, guys, it's so light, like it literally feels like nothing, but my hair feels great. And then when I get to the ends, like I said, I will just twirl it like so. I'll do the rest off camera and then I will come back and show you what it looks like. So guys, I am done. So I end up with about 11 locks once I'm done moisturizing them, and yeah, they feel good. So they're not completely soaked like wet, it's just slightly damp. So once I'm done, I get my scarf, my satin scarf, and then I put it on like so. And I like to bring it down to my forehead and tuck it in like so. And this is because I want my hairline to be protected. And then the ties, I tie it on my forehead, not my hairline, to avoid any kind of tension and breakage. So then I tie it like this. Just put that in there. And I haven't tied this satin scarf. It's actually a satin scarf bonnet. So it's a scarf at the front and then it has the bonnet bit here where everything goes in. I moisturize my hair this way every other week. So for example, if my wash day is this week, next week I will moisturize my hair this way, and the following week I'll moisturize my hair after shampooing, and then the following week moisturize it this way. I hope that makes sense. So every other week I moisturize my hair this way, and like I said before, this keeps my locks retaining moisture for the whole week. And this is the reason why I work in sections and I take my time, because it is worth it. Literally. So guys, if you want to see my full regime, so how often I wash my hair, how often I moisturize, clarifying, etc., check out the video that's showing on the bottom left hand corner of this screen and watch my full regime. This is my current regime and this is what keeps my locks healthy and flourishing.